A Fox and a Kit by Leah Roberts. Illustrated by Charles Santori. Genre: Literary nonfiction tells facts about the real world. It is sometimes told like a story. You will read about a fox and her kit at the zoo. Question of the week: How do wild animals take care of their babies? It is 4. This fox naps on the rocks. Her kit naps on the rocks too. The kit sits up. His mom sits up. It is 5. This man is fixing dinner. The kit and his mom will eat. The kit is licking his lips. His mom is licking her lips. The kit is playing. His mom is playing. The kit nips and tags his mom. The kit is on the rocks. His mom will get him. She picks him up and takes him back. The kit spots his mom. His mom spots him. We like to watch this kit and his mom. We can watch lots of animals.